Hi everyone, Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I will be making a rotisserie Asian style chicken on my Weber kettle. First thing we've got to do is tie this bird up. Well, hey, there's a little knot there around the ankle, as it were. This probably isn't the right way to do it, but it's how I do it and it always sort of works, so that's good for me. Right, get the legs together, wrap them around a couple of times, good and tight. So that'll stop the legs flapping around when it's spinning on the rotisserie. The second part is just to tie this bird up, wrap it underneath. It's nice and tight, keep the wings close to the body. Just to stop everything moving around when it's on the rotisserie. As you can see, the chicken's now on the rotisserie, spinning away, just with sesame oil on at the moment. I'm going to make up a marinade. I'm going to brush that on as it cooks. I'm going to give this 10 minutes, then start brushing away once I've made the marinade. So I'll put the lid on and let it cook. For this sauce, first off we're going to use some Hoisin sauce. Over here, use 1/3 cup. Just get that. Boom, 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 boom. 1/3 cup of Hoisin sauce. I'm going to do the same again with some dark soy sauce. Another 1/3 cup. Just like that. A little bit of sesame oil, about that much. Next up, a tablespoonful of salt, just sea salt, can go in. We use some. I've got demerara sugar here. I meant to pick up some brown sugar, but this will do the job. I'd say 2 of these. 1, 2. Hell, let's go for 3. 3. Put that there, and then 1 tablespoon of Sriracha. To heat things up a little bit, give that a good stir. Might as well put the rest of this in. Mix it all up. Next stop, paint the chicken. Okay, so what I need to do now is get this chicken covered with the marinade we just made. I must admit, I did forget to tell you that there's 5 spice in it. So I'll just paint this bird up. Get it all in the nooks and crannies. Just keep on painting. obviously the more you put on, the better colour it's going to get. Give these legs a good go in and the breast here. Let that cook around a little bit. Now let's get the lid back on and give it 10 minutes. It's not looking too bad, is it? Let's see what the old thermapen says. Stick it in, see where it's going. $83, $81, $78. $85, $84, $83. Yep, I'd say that's done. Let's take it off the rotisserie and let it rest for a while. I'm going to be honest with you, it smells absolutely amazing. Let's pull this off because that's going to be hot, obviously. It was hot as well. Let's pull the spit out. I think what I'm going to do is give it a little bit more colour, just to brush it with a bit of Hoisin and then let it rest for a little while the stir fry is finishing off. Just put a little bit of that on. Nice brush. So that'll go all nice and sticky and umptuous while we wait for the stir fry. Right, so it's the chicken all done. Looks amazing, I'm sure you agree. Can't wait to get stuck into this. I'll show you the finished plate in a minute. Okay, so let's get this chicken all sliced up then. First off, I'm going to take a leg off. Let's get all that open. One down there. Nice and juicy. We'll take the breast down. And really nice juicy chicken breast with good legs. Oh god. So here's my finished dish. As you can see, nice Chinese chicken, cooked deliciously. Got a beautiful stir fry there with some Hoisin sauce on it. Really looking forward to tasting this. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. I might just get a little sneaky bit now. That tastes fantastic. If you enjoyed my video, thank you for watching. I'm glad you're still here. Hit the subscribe button, check out these buttons below. There'll be some videos down there. Thanks for watching guys. Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. See you again soon.